All right, let's talk about silver versus cash and which one could potentially be the better choice for your financial security in 2025. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, but hopefully, this video will give you some helpful information that you can use to make the best decision for you and your family. With economic uncertainty on the horizon, it's crucial to understand where you should place your trust when it comes to taking steps to help safeguard your wealth. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of why it might be time to consider diversifying your savings with a precious metals IRA. 70 years ago, silver was not just a commodity, it was money. Quarters, dimes, and even dollar bills were either made or from redeemable in silver. It was a time when your pocket change had intrinsic value, something tangible backing up what it's worth. When you walked into a store with silver coins, you were holding a piece of real wealth, not just a promise from the government. However, as the market price of silver began to rise in the 1960s, the value of the metal exceeded the face value of the coins. In response, the government removed silver from circulation, replacing it with cheaper metals. Almost overnight, silver disappeared from everyday transactions, becoming a collector's item rather than a means of exchange. Since then, cash has been the go-to for most people, providing a convenient way to pay for goods and services. But over time, we've seen how inflation, the gradual increase in prices, erodes the purchasing power of cash. Inflation might seem like an abstract concept, but it has real consequences for your wallet. Remember when $20 could fill your gas tank, buy you lunch, and still leave you with change? Those days are gone, and inflation is likely to blame. The reality is that as the cost of living increases, the value of cash decreases, leaving you with less purchasing power year after year. This steady decline in value is one of the main reasons why many people are looking for alternatives to cash that can help preserve their wealth over the long term. And that's where silver comes into the picture. While cash may be losing value, silver has historically held its ground, especially during times of economic instability. Silver has been a trusted source of value for centuries, often outperforming other assets during periods of financial crisis. That's because it's a tangible asset that you can hold in your hand, a real piece of wealth that doesn't rely on the promises of banks or governments. And if you're looking for ways to help safeguard your savings from the effects of inflation and economic uncertainty, a precious metals IRA can potentially be an excellent way to do just that. But before we dive deeper into why silver might be the right choice for 2025, let's take a closer look at the strengths and weaknesses of cash. Cash is incredibly convenient. It's universally accepted whether you're buying groceries, paying for a haircut, or settling up with a friend. You don't need to worry about swiping a card, remembering a PIN, or dealing with transaction fees. Cash is also fast. Once it changes hands, the transaction is complete. There's no waiting period for funds to clear, no credit card bills to pay later. Plus, cash is anonymous. You can make purchases without leaving a digital trail. For many people, this privacy is a significant advantage, especially in a world where our financial transactions are increasingly tracked and analyzed. However, cash comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest issues is security. Carrying large amounts of cash makes you a target for theft, whether at home or on the go. And even if your cash is safely stored in a bank, it's not immune to inflation. Over time, inflation reduces the value of your cash savings, meaning you can buy less with the same amount of money. This gradual erosion of purchasing power is a significant drawback, especially for those looking for ways to preserve their wealth over the long term. Now imagine saving diligently for decades only to find that your money is worth significantly less when you finally need it. That's a risk that many people are not willing to take, which is why they turn to other assets like silver to potentially safeguard their financial future. And let's not forget about the hygiene factor. Cash is notoriously dirty, passing through countless hands and environments. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many people became acutely aware of the germs that can live on physical currency, leading to a push towards digital and contactless payments. So while cash is convenient, it's not without its flaws. As we look ahead to 2025, it's worth considering whether cash will continue to serve as a reliable store of value or whether its weaknesses will become more apparent as economic conditions change. This is where silver and the idea of a precious metals IRA potentially comes into play. Silver offers several advantages over cash, especially when it comes to preserving wealth. Unlike cash, silver has intrinsic value. It's a finite resource with industrial applications, which means there's always demand for it. During times of economic uncertainty, silver may perform well, providing a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. In the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis, for example, silver's price increased dramatically, outpacing even gold. Those who had invested in silver before the crisis saw their wealth grow, while those who held on to cash watched their purchasing power decline. A precious metals IRA allows you to purchase silver and other precious metals within a tax-advantaged account, providing a potential layer of security and stability for your retirement savings. With a Goldco precious metals IRA, your silver is securely stored in a trusted depository, protecting it from things like theft and loss. This helps your savings remain diversified if the broader economy experiences turbulence. But silver is not without its own set of challenges. Storing silver can be more cumbersome than holding cash or other assets. Silver is bulky, and if you're buying significant quantities, you're going to need a secure place to store it. This might involve purchasing a safe for your home or renting a safety deposit box, both of which come with additional costs. Another consideration is that silver does not generate income like stocks or bonds. It's a physical asset that doesn't pay dividends or interest. However, during times of economic turmoil, the appreciation in silver's value can potentially make up for this lack of income. When the stock market is volatile or when inflation is eroding the value of cash, silver has provided a stable store of wealth, preserving your wealth when other investments are losing ground. If you're concerned about inflation, economic downturns, or simply want a reliable way to diversify your wealth, silver stands out as a stronger option. With a precious metals IRA, you can combine the stability of silver with the security of professional storage, giving you peace of mind in an uncertain future. In the end, your choice will depend on your financial goals and how much risk you're willing to take. While cash may be convenient, it's not immune to the pressures of inflation and economic instability. Silver, on the other hand, offers a level of potential security that could be crucial when the economy faces challenges. It's a tangible asset that has stood the test of time, providing a reliable store of value for centuries. If you're ready to take the next step in potentially securing your financial future, consider exploring the benefits of a precious metals IRA. Call the Goldco number on the screen or scan the QR code to learn how you may be able to defend your wealth with a precious metals IRA. Don't wait until it's too late. Prepare now and find out how you could give yourself the confidence that your savings are well protected. In an unpredictable world, having a portion of your wealth in silver could possibly be the key to financial security in 2025 and beyond.